up and to the left. On the enemy, very, very close to the downed airman.
a very tough maneuver to do. And this is one that he also performed when he was flying the A10 Thunderbolt II as the demonstration pilot, based right here at Monthan back in 2010 and 2011. Now, the next one is going to be a classic loop. This is the roundhouse loop. Let's see how round he can make it. He gets plenty of smash. He's going for 160 or 170 miles. 8, 9. There's 1,000 feet, 1,100 feet over the top. And pulls it back through. He's turned it in to precision flying with a 4-point hesitation roll. He went to the University of Kansas. He earned an undergraduate degree in engineering. He worked as a full-time flight instructor to help pay his way through school. After graduating, his love of flying took him to the Air Force, where he graduated kids, gets over the top, does a snap roll over the top. That's called an avalanche. He currently flies the Boeing 757 and rolls in the Raytheon RV-8. Now let's see if we can go right away. An interesting fact about Joe and his call sign rifle. The word rifle is actually used as a radio brevity term by U.S. combat operators. It's used to let everyone know that an air-to-ground missile has been launched. If an A-10 pilot calls off south, rifle, you can be sure there's an AGM-65 Maverick missile in the air, which was manufactured by Raytheon Missile Systems. During events surrounding the employment of a Maverick missile,
But I know a thing or two about low and slow. You know, these are my roots here in Tucson when they taught me how to fly the A10, so we'll see what we can do.
all righty, here we go. The smoke is thunder. Jet car. He's out there being driven by Bill Braack, former U.S. Air Force crew chief aboard the C-141 Starlifter. Joe Rifle Shetterly in the Raytheon RV-8.
Sounds good.
And they're going to race. The deal is that Joe Rifle Shetterly will have a diving start on the target.
Smells like a barbecue. Oh yes, I love it.
From a standing start, the Smoke and Thunder jet car will take a cue from his crew chief that as Rifle gets right overhead, he'll call for the release of the brakes and we're going to see a race. How many of you think the jet car can win the race?
Yeah.
How many of you think Rifle Shetterly in the plane can win a race? All right, we'll see. Gentlemen, the audience is divided as to who they think is going to win.
Mr. Announcer, can we get some wind?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to win check, Rob.
280 at 13. 280 at 13, Bill.
Ready when you are, brother. Rifles inbound.
All right, they're going inbound. Let's see if they're going to be able to pull this one off. I think we're going to have us a race. Bill Braack, Smoke and Thunder jet car will spool that engine up to all of its 12,000 horsepower, and Joe Rifle Shetterly is on his way in. Straining at the brakes. Oh!